I don't know what's going on with Kanye and Adidas, but hey, I am not mad at all these random restocks because like this restock was super random, and this is another first for me on this channel, copping from Foot District. Because like if you know anything about Foot District, it's like it's nearly impossible to cop for whatever reason. But as you can see, packages, I'm a fan of the package, so I guess the overseas sites are, doing it better than the US sites. But if you do order anything from Foot District, just be mindful that everybody's going to know that you ordered from Foot District. So if you're in a neighborhood or somewhere where people like steal packages, because people steal packages anywhere. Just be mindful that if you happen to order something from there, it's gonna say where you got it from. So as we see here, we have another 450 in the collection, and to be honest, this is the only 450 that I need. So I'm glad I could get these for retail. After I copped, I looked at what they're going for now, and the prices are dipped. So if you're still looking for this shoe, the time is now. But yeah, size 12 and a half. So like I said, in my previous 450 video, if you need some 450s, go up half size. I wouldn't recommend whole size unless like you really want to. But hey, that's your decision at the end of the day. Here we go, the 450 in that cloud white colorway. The best 450 to date, in my opinion. I wanted these since the initial release. Was not going to pay that resale. Luckily, I got through on the most random restock ever. Shout out to Foot District. And shout out to everybody that, just let that 12 and a half sit for your boy. So you can see the outsole. It looks like, I thought it was like a milky translucent outsole, but I guess it's just a white outsole. And then, of course, you got that crazy 450 dumpling midsole. And then the upper, that prime knit upper in grayish tan something. I don't know what color it is. You know how Yeezy is with the color scheme, the color spectrum, all over the place. But yeah, I'm just happy to get this shoe. Like I said, I don't know if prices are going to go up over time. If Adidas and Kanye end up terminating their contract, which, you never know. But look at the other one, make sure everything is cool with these joints. Yep, left and the right. Make sure both are the same size. Oh, man. Great time to be a sneakerhead, in my opinion. A lot of stuff is sitting. Most of the resale prices are starting to dip. So if there's anything that's been on your radar for a minute and you have the funds to go after it, the time is now. But definitely sneakers shopping or shopping in general outside of groceries and like your essentials is not priority. So anything extra is definitely with your discretionary or disposable income. So don't put shoes over bills. I've been there, like back in the day, like college, undergrad days, you know what I'm saying? But now it's like, bro, I have, as you can see, this small area of the room. I could just stop buying shoes based on this, and I have stuff, whatever. We're not gonna get into all that, but yeah, like shoes and clothing, jewelry, accessories, hats, whatever. It's just extra stuff, man. Like, don't go broke or don't put your bills after stuff like this. Shoes and stuff and clothing is going to be there, but your bills, you got to handle your priorities first. Once you handle your priorities, then you can cop, whatever. But yeah, I don't want to give y'all like a a lesson, but hey, I'm just saying, I just see a lot of people like prioritize material stuff over like handling their business. But if anybody knows me, I work hard, and you can treat yourself, but definitely make sure everything else is paid for before you treat yourself. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. But the time is now. If y'all want to cop stuff that's been on your list, go ahead, make it happen. On to the next one.